There's no one else who can deliver better surprises like Elon Musk himself. Let us introduce you to Grok, the new platform that is going to be similar to ChatGPT 4, but with a difference. Only Elon can really stand up to the big guys like Microsoft, Google, OpenAI to deliver a product but with a twist. So one of the biggest competitive advantages are that Grok is going to be used and being built on live streaming data directly from X platform, which used to be the Twitter. And that's what makes it a differentiator when it comes to other competitors like Google, Microsoft, and of course OpenAI. So OpenAI is now being trained only up to the year of 2022, but also the use cases are going to be very different between Grok and ChatGPT 4. So even though Elon Musk has introduced a competition, but I feel that it's going to have two different use cases. In the news were all over, this announcement. But if you went back to the X platform, which was the X Twitter, it mentions that Grok is an AI modeled after Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, so intended to answer almost anything and far harder, even suggests what questions to ask. Grok is designed to answer questions with a bit of wit as well as rebellious streak. So please do not use it if you hate humor. What it really means is because everything is going to be built on live tweets, more than likely not everything is going to be accurate. So just be careful and do not trust everything. Then the announcement continues. A unique and fundamental advantage of Grok is that it has a real-time knowledge of the world via the X platform. It will also answer spicy questions that are rejected by most other AI systems, meaning that anyone can tweet about most of things, and the model is just going to be trained on whatever comes their way. So Grok is still a very early beta product, the best we could do within 2 months of training. So expect it to improve rapidly with each passing week with your help. Thank you, the X.AI team. So no one else could deliver such spicy news like Elon Musk with his X.AI team. So let's watch this space because we are definitely going to see a very differentiating product in the AI space. When it comes to pricing, right now, the platform is going to be available to all the premium subscribers on X, and they are right now paying $16 a month. Now, the $16 a month doesn't seem too costly, but when you compare it to ChatGPT 4, that is being actually trained on much larger data set, and of course it has a different use cases, and there we are being charged $20 a month. So what I think is from the user's point of view, more than likely we will have to subscribe to both subscriptions at the same time. So right now we are looking at a minimum $36 a month. So I hope with this AI supremacy competition, there will be definitely a price war in the future. As I mentioned before, yes, we can compare it as a competitor to ChatGPT 4, but I honestly feel Grok is going to have a totally different uses to how we use ChatGPT 4. Yes, it is a AI supremacy and a high competition, but remember, Grok is using the underlying data from the Twitter, from the X platform that uses live streaming data. So I think we just need to wait to see how Grok as a product, as a platform, is going to be trained and what other advantages it's going to deliver to the users. I think we are still too early to speculate. It can be used for maybe a summary of the latest news, also for some kind of entertainment, because remember, the high risk with Grok is it actually uses live stream data, which of course can use incorrect, inaccurate data. But let's see, Elon Musk always surprised us with new innovation, so we never know what else we might learn with his new discoveries. Of course, Elon Musk had to also announce it himself in his tweet, and he says Grok has a real-time access to information via the X platform, which is a massive advantage over other models. It's also based and loves sarcasm. I have no idea who could have guided it this way. Well, Elon, you always do it your own way. In recent interviews with Elon Musk, he mentions that the pace of AI is faster than any technology I've seen in history by far. So this leaves us with a big question mark that did Elon Musk buy Twitter with the intention to build Grok, or was it an afterthought? It appears that actually he wasn't even thinking of building something similar to OpenAI then, but once when he understood the amount of, the vast amount of data that is flowing through the platform, that he can build something similar to OpenAI, but with a twist. Let's talk about the birth of Grok Zero. After approximately 4 months of dedicated development, the team introduced their initial model dubbed as Grok Zero, equipped with a hefty 33 billion parameters. And if we put it into perspective, that's a significant size for an AI model, and yet it's only at the beginning. Then there are other Grok's milestones, like Grok Zero already achieved the same performance levels as Meta's 70 billion parameters Llama 2 model, while being developed with just half of the resources. This impressive feat showcases the efficiency and potential of Grok AI's underlying architecture and optimization. Now, Grok 1's ability don't stop there. It excels in Python code completion and outperforms major models like ChatGPT 3.5, Llama 2, and Inflection 1 in middle and high school math problems. And in fact, in May 2023, Grok 1 even outdid model GPT 3.5 and Clouded 2 in the National Hungarian High School Mathematics exam. As of now, Grok 1 is not multimodal. So what it means is it cannot process audio or visual input, and therefore it's operating solely on text. However, plans are in place to extend its capabilities to include these features soon. The tech behind Grok is that the entire infrastructure is using Rust programming language called Kubernetes and JAX, and this technical stack points to the robust and scalable nature of the AI that they are crafting. So what is the vision behind Grok? Well, while it's still in the early stages, the X.AI team envisions Grok as a potent research assistant for the masses, aiming to enable rapid access to information, aid in data processing, and foster the generation of new ideas, essentially becoming a powerhouse tool that enhances human capabilities. So, my friends, I'm sure we are going to have plenty more discussions about Grok and about the future of AI. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.